All right, back again one more time, man. I want to do a quick video on this. I got a lot of people. They keep making a bad mistake with this Chevy right here. This pretty much goes for any Chevy Express, uh, GMC, any one of those vans, the Express vans. A lot of the regular Jeeps, that have this code, and I keep seeing them doing the wrong thing to fix it. And I kind of see why, because if you went to AutoZone or something like that and you got a generic test done, you would get a code reading like this. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Let's see. It says 2135 throttle positioning switch, voltage correlation. Okay. Now I see where this goes, because what happens is that a lot of people end up buying the switch. You probably can't see it now, but actually the pedal itself. I've seen a few, and I've also went online, and the first thing they're telling you to do is to change this pedal switch, which is not that expensive. It's probably about $150, and that's the actual gas pedal. It's one piece. But that is totally the wrong thing to do. This code has to do with the actual throttle. So with this car right here, when you get this code, it means that what it's actually telling you is that it has two TPS, or throttle position and sensors, and they basically work together. Okay, and there's a correlation problem between the two. I mean, maybe one voltage is not what the other one is expecting. There we go. And there's no way to fix that other than to change the whole throttle body. And you'd have to buy the throttle body from the dealer, and then you're going to have to program it, because if you put it in, you're going to get an effect like what's happening with this car right now, where it's going to surge up and down like vroom, vroom, vroom. And that's pretty much never going to stop until you get somebody to program it with the GM's. I'm sorry, with the tech tool. All right, so don't make the same mistake if you get this 2135 code. It's gonna 90 times out of 10, 90 times out of 100 is going to be the throttle position. I'm sorry, the throttle itself, which comes with the butterfly opening and the two TPSs. The two TPSs. Yeah, any more questions? Feel free to hit me up. And be careful when you guys are using. This is one of the things I was telling you about using these cheap scanners. They give you codes that are generic, and it's actually the wrong thing. A lot of times you go to AutoZone and you get one of those checks done, and they give you the wrong information. They go on the computer and tell you to change something generic. So be careful. A lot of times you go to AutoZone and you have a lean code. They say, okay, well, you got to change these oxygen sensors. And most times that's not what it is. Is maybe a broken vacuum hose, or something that's causing a lean condition in the car. But I'll make another video on that one time. But definitely don't waste your money buying the pedal switch for this car, okay? And this goes for like all GMCs, the vans with this type of engine, a lot of the regular SUVs that have this engine, and what's the other one called? The other Chevy van. It's missing me for right now. But all right. Well, anyway, any questions? Feel free to hit me up. This is the combustion chamber. Once again, dropping some info. Hit me up later.